Ever since I was a child, I have loved and collected birds' nests, so it's no wonder that I love to paint them. In this tutorial, you'll see my preferred color palette. We'll talk a lot about the brushes that I use. This is one of those paintings that the brushes made all the difference. You'll see how I put in the darks. The darks are like the foundation and support system, and without it, that nest just won't read correctly. I've got some special colors to show you for the eggs and their shadows. I'll talk you through the color shifts that need to be made and the types of strokes. You'll see a favorite background color that provides great color harmony with the eggs. After taking this course, you should be able to paint a beautiful and believable bird's nest. I think my next project is going to be to duplicate this one on a gigantic canvas. Won't that be fun? If you'd be interested in learning how to paint this bird's nest with full instruction in real time, go to my website at VictoriaHagamanArt.com. I'll put a link in the description box below. There you'll find very reasonably priced full-length courses and shorter tutorials, all with full instructions and close-ups of my brushwork. You can also check out paintings that I have for sale. 25% of my painting sales go to fund water wells through Hydrating Humanity. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where there's all kinds of free videos. Links in the description box below.